The case of measles confirmed in Washington, D.C. The health department believes the person traveled on an Amtrak train. Now there's concern other passengers may have been exposed. Zoreen Shah has that story.
The measles outbreak turning deadly in West Texas, where the state health department says a school-aged child who was unvaccinated died in the city of Lubbock. The CDC says this is the first measles death in the country in a decade. More than 120 people infected so far in West Texas. Dr. Laura Johnson is a pediatrician there.
I didn't expect to ever take care of measles patients in my career in any meaningful way. It seems like something from the past, but if we don't continue to vaccinate and do the things that we did in order to make these illnesses of the past, then there'll be illnesses of the present.
Several cases have also been reported in New Mexico.
Measles is the most contagious infection that exists today. It's spreading very much as expected. Unfortunately, historically, it often spreads mostly among children and young adolescents, and that seems to be exactly what's happening today.
Officials say there's no apparent link between the outbreaks, but experts warn more cases could be on the way in other parts of the country.
It's not a question of if, it's a question of when we will see more measles cases popping up around the United States. Since the pandemic, we've seen vaccination rates slowly decline.
Doctors say historically, most people who are hospitalized with the disease are unvaccinated.
The number one way to protect ourselves from measles is to get vaccinated. That vaccine is up to 97% effective in preventing measles. So if you are fully vaccinated, your risk of measles is relatively low.
The measles vaccine provides lifelong protection. Experts advise those living in outbreak areas to talk to their doctor if they're concerned about their vaccination status.